Good day everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to split shapefile into multiple shapefiles in QGIS. This is very important when you have a bunch of shapefile and you want to split it into individual components to make your work easier and to treat each of the parts of the polygon as an entity. So let's get started. In QGIS, the first thing to do is to bring in your shapefile. To do that, click on Add Vector Layer, then browse to navigate to your folder where you have your shapefile. In this exercise, I want to use USA shapefile. I'll click on it and click on Open, then click Open. Yes, here is a bunch of polygon and I want to split each of the polygon into individual units. So to do that in QGIS, come to Vector, then come to Data Management Tools, and here you can see Split Vector Layer. Click to open the Split Vector Layer table. Then here under Parameters, Input Layer, input the polygon you want to split, in this case USA shapefile. Then one thing to note, you must select the field you want to use to split it. If I come back to this layer and right click and open the attributes table, in the attributes table you can see different fields, and in this exercise I want to use this field called name1 to split each of these polygon. So to do that, let me close this. Here under unique ID field, I'll click here and select the field I want to use to split it, in this case name1. Then output directory, specify where you want to save it. So in this case I want to save it in my folder. I want to save it in this folder called split. So I'll select that folder and click on select folder. So that folder has been selected. Then I'll click on this option called run. So the splitting process is in progress. In few seconds, all this polygon will be split into multiple polygons. Yes, it is done. Now you need to go to that folder and bring it in. And to verify, let me go to that folder. Here is the folder called split. If I open it, you can see that each of the states in US has been split into individual polygon, and here is it. So let's go back to QGIS. Now I can uncheck this and load in the polygons I've split. Click on Add Vector Layer, then navigate to that folder. Here is it, split. I'll click on it. Now you can see the polygons that has been splitted. So I'll just highlight all and click on open. Then I'll click open. Yes, you can see it here that they have been split into multiple polygons. For instance, if I uncheck Alabama, you can see that it's distinct. If I uncheck Arizona, you can see that it's distinct. Likewise, California. So it has split using the name of the states. It has split the polygon into multiple polygons, as you can see it. So this is how to split a shapefile into multiple shapefile or polygons in QGIS. Thank you for watching.